Meghalaya Police has also stepped into the picture. We will intervene, ensure the safety and security of the residents of the affected areas, and I will also be meeting the Deputy CM in charge home to get further details and updates from him. Because if you recall, the meeting we had at the CM's level was very cordial, and as a follow-up to that, the Deputy CM, who represents the West Ganj Hills sector of the disputed areas, had also gone to the to meet his counterpart, the chairman of the regional committee from Assam. So I suggest that you also follow the matter up with him as chairman of the regional committee. We will see full details from both the deputy CMs, one who is in charge of home and the other who is the chairman of the regional committee for West Ganj Hills.